Hey everybody, it's DJ Gumby and I'm here with another awesome mic review unboxing. Let's just put it all together, why don't we? Today we're looking at the FiFine Technology K036A. And this one is different in the fact that it comes with your handheld microphone and it comes with your lapel / lavalier microphone that you see right here on your boy. So if you know anything about microphones, you know that you normally will not get both of these in one pack, and I think this is going to be a smart buy for quite a few of you. So let's take a look at it. Sweet. Now that we have everything unboxed, I'm going to go ahead and hook everything up. Basically what I'm going to do is follow the instructions step by step, so I'm not going to bore you by showing all that. But first thing we need to do is, of course, throw some batteries into each microphone compartment, and then from there, hook it up like it tells you. Alright, sorry about all the background noise, but you'll notice what I did here was I hooked it up. Basically, you're going to give it power right back here. I guess I can turn it around, right? Yeah. You're gonna give it power, plug it in, and you have the option to choose how you want to come out of the unit. There's an 1/8, 2 1/8 outs, and then you have your 1/4 inch, which is what I'm using right now because I can go straight from that into my little battery powered speaker here. So straight from there into a speaker. I feel like this is the most common way that most people will use this level of a microphone unit. So let's test it out like this. Now we have the microphone hooked up. Everything is good to go. All you do is walk on over, dial in the individual volume levels that you are looking for. So for example, if you only want to hear the handheld mic, there's a knob for that. If you only want to hear the lavalier mic, there's a knob to control that, which is great. So here is the handheld mic. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's add a little echo because that's built in too. I think it's this one. Mic check. Ooh, T-Pain. Yeah, yeah. Check, check. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Once you have the lavalier battery pack turned on, this will be your transmitter. I'm gonna come up to the top portion here with the camera focus, and you have to remember to turn up the gain. I'll start like in the middle. Hopefully y'all can see this, but I'll just start right there in the middle. If you don't turn on the gain, obviously you can't get anything out of it, so don't forget to turn that on. Let's gradually turn up this battery pack so you can get an idea of what it sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Microphone here, microphone there. Microphone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic. So far so good. Now we're gonna do my very professional, scientifically sound range test where I'm just gonna walk as far as I can with both mics, the lavalier and the handheld, because remember, you can use both of these mics at the same time, and we will test them. I'll do my best to let you know when I'm speaking into the handheld. I'm sure you'll be able to tell. And when I'm speaking into the lavalier. Let's do it. Here we go. Let's do this. Handheld, nice, clear, very full. Remember, y'all, no
no EQ on these microphones whatsoever. Let's switch it on over to the left. Mic 1, 2, 3. Microphone check 1, 2. Lavalier microphone. Lavalier. Handheld microphone. Back at it again. Full body again. Lavalier microphone check 1, 2, 3, 4. I have no idea if this is working. Check lavalier mic. Lavalier microphone. Check. Making my way back. Hopefully I can hear some of that treble. It's working. Good. Now let's take them inside. Let's put some bricks in between all this that's happening. Lavalier microphone. Lavalier. You hear me breathing heavy? It's climbing the steps. Lavalier microphone and handheld microphone, and this is the furthest point possible in my house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What did we find out overall? Number one, this is an extremely flexible package altogether. All these inputs on here are pretty much unheard of for a microphone system. You don't get this much control on something this small for this price. So I think this is something that would be a good buy for anyone, especially those of you that kind of dabble in this stuff, but you're not really like gung-ho about spending $700 on a handheld microphone and $700 on a lavalier mic. So this is a great way to just start out to see like what you like and what you don't like. What I will say is I am not a big fan of how close together, let's see if we can get that to come in. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of how close together these buttons are on here because I have the dreaded fat finger syndrome. So anything anything like this is just a headache for me. But if you finesse it, correctly, you can basically fade in and fade out on a couple of things. The other thing I'll have to bring up, and it's not really a knock at this price point, how can you knock anything on this, is there's no way to mute the microphones with like just the tip of a button, the touch of a button I should say. So that would be cool if they had some sort of mute button on here, even if it muted all the microphones at once. I think that would be really helpful. But for the price and all these inputs and outputs and knobs and stuff, this is a good deal right here. This is a good one. Pick it up. If you want to pick up one on your own and just see it for yourself, hey, I'm gonna leave a link right down there. Click on it, check it out, read some reviews, check out some pictures. And in the meantime, if you liked this review and you appreciate my efforts going out there in 100-degree heat, leave me a thumbs up on this video. Until next time, I'll see y'all then.